Promise, a new entertainment studio, aims to combine generative AI with Hollywood storytelling. Founded by George Stroumpolos, Jamie Byrne and Dave Clark and backed by Andreessen Horowitz, Promise wants to change how films and series are made. The studio's mission is to blend AI with traditional filmmaking. Promise plans to create films, series and experimental content with AI artists, Hollywood talent and rights holders. Their main project, MUSE, is a platform that uses AI at every stage to make production more efficient and collaborative. Stroumpolos calls this a crucial moment for the industry, saying AI workflows are key to the future. Byrne emphasizes artist partnerships, while Clark sees it as a chance to push storytelling boundaries with AI. Promise is entering a space where Hollywood's relationship with AI is still evolving. After some resistance in 2023, big studios like Disney and Lionsgate began using AI to improve efficiency. Promise wants to stand out by fully integrating AI into its creative work. With about 10 employees, Promise is hiring AI-focused directors, artists, and 3D specialists to build a new generation of creators skilled in both AI and traditional methods. Generally, generative AI has been rejected by Hollywood, but studios are cautiously approaching it due to its potential to reduce production costs. It may ultimately become a valuable tool rather than a complete replacement. As Hollywood begins to explore AI, Promise is going all in on it. Their success will depend on navigating the technical, legal and creative challenges ahead. The US Department of Justice and State Attorneys General have proposed actions to address Google's illegal monopoly in search and advertising. These proposals could drastically change how Google will operate. One key proposal is for Google to sell its Chrome browser, which prosecutors say has strengthened Google's dominance by funneling user data into its ecosystem. Chrome has boosted Google's advertising power and helped maintain its 90% share in online searches. The Justice Department also wants Google to end exclusive agreements with companies like Apple and Samsung, which make Google the default search engine. Prosecutors argue these deals stifle competition and prevent other search engines from gaining traction. Another recommendation is for Google to share search results and user data with competitors for free. Google argues this could harm its user privacy. If Chrome is sold, Google would be barred from re-entering the browser market for 5 years. If competition does not improve, Google might also have to sell its Android operating system to prevent it from pushing its own products on Android devices. Google funds a court-appointed technical committee. The committee will oversee these changes for up to 10 years. They will ensure compliance by accessing internal documents, staff, and software. Google argues these measures are too extreme and could harm consumers and innovation. The company claims that selling Chrome and Android could disrupt businesses that depend on these platforms. These proposals follow an August 2024 ruling by Judge Amit Mehta that found Google maintained its dominance through unfair practices. A trial on these proposals is set for April 2025, where Google will present its counter-arguments. If enforced, these measures could reshape Google and set a precedent for managing the power of other tech giants, affecting competition and innovation for years. Google is already under pressure from regulators, plus OpenAI is challenging Google in search with ChatGPT. Now, OpenAI is also challenging Google in browsing with the rumored browser. OpenAI is reportedly developing a web browser with integrated chatbot features. If successful, this could transform browsing by embedding generative AI directly into the experience. The project is still in early stages, but OpenAI has shown some early designs to developers. This move could make OpenAI a competitor to Google, whose Chrome browser currently dominates the market. OpenAI is also working on SearchGPT, a tool combining regular search results with conversational AI available to ChatGPT Plus and team users. They are in talks with companies like Condé Nast and Priceline to integrate this tech. OpenAI also has partnerships with Apple for Apple Intelligence features and discussions with Samsung to integrate AI into their devices, which could challenge Google's influence in mobile. OpenAI's browser project is still far from launch, but if successful, it could offer a real alternative to Google's ecosystem and redefine how we use the web. The US plans a Manhattan Project-style push for artificial general intelligence. This move aims to counter China's rapid tech advances. The goal is to secure US leadership in innovation, economy, military, and geopolitics. The program envisions a government-led collaboration with private industry to speed up AGI development. Unlike current AI, AGI would have human-like abilities and adapt across fields, potentially transforming industries and shifting global power dynamics. China aims to lead in AI by 2030, investing heavily in tech that impacts both economic and military areas. If China takes the lead in AGI, it could disrupt the balance of global power, which is why the US wants to act fast. Critics warn that this push could lead to an AI arms race, ignoring ethical and safety concerns. Still, the potential benefits to the US tech sector are huge. The key challenge is to develop AGI quickly but responsibly, without compromising ethics or global stability. OpenAI's ChatGPT is evolving with an upcoming beta release of the live camera feature in advanced voice mode. This will allow ChatGPT to see and interpret live video feeds through a user's device camera. The idea was first demonstrated in May 2024. OpenAI showed how ChatGPT could help with job interview preparation. The person asked if they looked presentable. ChatGPT suggested running a hand through their hair. It also advised against wearing a round fisherman's hat, which they had planned for the interview. The whole conversation felt very natural, almost like a video call. Recent discoveries in the beta app suggest that this feature is close to release. It will allow users to tap a camera icon and have ChatGPT analyze their surroundings in real time. The feature is experimental, with warnings against using it for critical decisions like navigation or health. If the beta rollout happens, it will likely be available to ChatGPT Plus subscribers. This could make ChatGPT a competitor to tools like Google Lens, but with added conversational abilities. Adding vision could expand uses for accessibility, education and problem solving, but OpenAI has not confirmed any release details. For now, the discovery of beta features shows OpenAI actively working toward bringing this vision to life. Coca-Cola's remake of its famous "Holidays Are Coming" Christmas ad using AI has caused a lot of controversy. The original ad, first aired in 1995, is a beloved holiday classic, but this year's AI update has left many people feeling the magic is lost. The new AI-generated ad, produced by several studios, tried to recreate the nostalgic feeling, but ended up with strange details like gliding trucks and blurry backgrounds. Santa appears only as a floating hand holding a Coke bottle, which disappointed many. The online backlash has been strong. Many criticized the ad as cheap and unoriginal, lacking the emotional connection of the original. Some accused Coca-Cola of using AI to cut costs, sacrificing creativity and jobs. Critics also noted that AI-generated content often feels empty and lacks the thought behind human-made work. Coca-Cola defended the campaign as innovative, but it hasn't stopped the criticism. For a brand known for real magic, using AI for a cherished tradition has left many unhappy. The campaign shows how AI in advertising is still controversial. Black Forest Labs has launched FLUX One tools, a set of AI models to enhance their text-to-image platform, FLUX One. The focus is on control, customization, and recreating both real and AI-generated images. FLUX One Fill allows seamless edits like in-painting and out-painting, extending images beyond their original borders. It claims to outperform alternatives like Ideogram 2.0. There are both open access and professional versions available. FLUX One Depth and Canny enable precise edits with depth maps and edge detection, retaining the original image's structure. These tools are ideal for retexturing and making detailed adjustments. FLUX One Redux helps remix input images with prompts, creating variations while keeping core elements intact. It supports high-quality outputs and integration into workflows. These tools arrive amidst growing competition in AI media, competing with solutions from Midjourney and Stability AI. FLUX aims to capture a share of this market and is also exploring text-to-video systems. With Suno V4, there are big improvements in sound quality. It delivers cleaner audio, sharper lyrics, and more dynamic song structures. Suno AI V4 allows users to remaster older tracks for cleaner, more professional audio.
You're like a storm caught in the waves. Never sure if it's swimming and drowning these days. You say it's nothing, but I feel the weight. Every word you don't say, I can't seem to shake. Tell me what you want. You're pulling me in and you're gone. I'm spinning around this headspace.
The new Raimi Lyrics tool helps generate lyrics based on a mood or theme, making songwriting simpler and more personalized. The audio quality, lyrics and song structures are sharper and more polished, and a better-looking custom cover art is generated to complete the music. Suno supports multiple languages, which is one of its strengths against its competitor Udio. Suno's V4 update represents a major advancement in competing with Udio. The enhanced vocal quality and dynamic song structures in V4 address previous limitations. Microsoft introduced AI-powered agents at Ignite 2024, its annual conference for developers and IT professionals. These agents are part of Microsoft 365, a suite of productivity tools that includes Word, Excel, Teams, and SharePoint. This suite helps organizations communicate, collaborate, and manage tasks. The AI agents handle both simple and complex tasks, integrating AI into daily workflows. The agents include tools like the Employee Self-Service Agent, which helps answer HR and IT questions, and the Facilitator Agent, which takes notes and creates summaries during meetings. The Interpreter Agent, launching in early 2025, will translate speech in real time across 9 languages. The Project Manager Agent helps teams by automating project tasks, allowing them to focus on more strategic work. Every SharePoint site now includes a built-in agent that helps locate documents and manage workflows. In Teams, agents capture key discussion points to ensure nothing is missed. Microsoft has also created Copilot Studio, which allows businesses to build custom agents tailored to their needs while focusing on strong security and responsible AI use. These AI agents are designed to reduce workloads, improve efficiency, and help businesses focus on creative and strategic goals. Microsoft's vision is to make AI a real partner at work, and it seems like Microsoft wants to win the agent war quietly, under the radar.
Promise mix AI with the Hollywood scene. Movies and series like nothing you've seen. Google's in trouble, monopolies about to break. Feds coming for Chrome, Android's next in the take. OpenAI creeping in, browser with chat. Search GPT taking over, who can handle that? Congress launching AI like Manhattan. Race with China, future tech's where it's happening. Coca-Cola's AI